Morning peeps, this is what my entire season has been building up to. The cutting and weighing of the two giant pumpkins. Let's go down and have a look at how they're doing. On their last day here up at the allotment. The Atlantic giant. Fed on beer, water and tomorite. Definitely the biggest one I've ever grown. Scaled, I don't know how we're going to get that onto that, but we're gonna have a go. And then let's just have a look at Mr. Pacific. Well, hello there. What a fine specimen you are. Oh, there he is. Let's see if I can pick him up. Right, have any of you guys watched The World's Strongest Man where they try and lift those Atlas stones? Let's see if I can lift this guy. Oh my god. Oh no. That's a hernia waiting to happen right there. Whew. Right, let's get him cut and then roll him down to the bottom of the plot and try and get him on the scales. There we go, cutting the umbilical cord. Where are we going? We're going there, yeah, that's perfect. And then, right, that's the pumpkin detached. I think we're going to end up rolling it down the bottom and weighing him. Right, here's the ass shot. Woo. Well, before we try and get it onto the scales over there, I'm going to have a guess at the weight. I've attempted to lift it. I'm going to say 110 pounds. What do you reckon, Dad?
95.
95 and 110. Well, I do know about 46 kilos because the scales are in kilos. 46 is 100 pounds or just over. So long as it's over 46, I'll be happy with that. Alright, we'll get back to you if we manage to get this on the scales. Well, after a bit of fighting and a bit of tussling, we managed to balance the Atlantic giant on the scales. And if you have a look, well, to me that looks like 52 kilos. So I'll put the weight in pounds on the screen now, and I'm really happy because, like I said, 46 kilos was the 100-pound mark, and as we're at 52, we are well over that now. So this particular pumpkin gets a thumbs up. Right, we'll cut the Pacific giant pumpkin now and weigh that to see if it's any heavier. Here's his cousin, separated at birth but badly. He's got a bit of a tan, definitely been tangoed. Let's get him cut. Right, let's have a go at lifting this one. Oh my god. Alright, let's roll him down to the bottom and weigh him. More ass. So before we weigh him, what do you reckon, Dad?
90 pound.
90 pound. Yeah, I'm going to say the same. 90 pound. Let's get him on the scales. After another struggle trying to get it on the scale, I don't think you're going to be able to read it, but that is 50 kilos. So again, we are over the 100 pound mark on the Pacific here. I'll put that weight in pounds on the screen now. So yeah, the Atlantic has beaten the Pacific by 2 kilos only. Alright, that's it for this one. I've definitely got my teeth into growing big pumpkins, or attempting to at the very least. If you've never grown one, then why don't you have a go next season? And you may be able to get one this size, or hopefully bigger. And that's what I'm going to try and achieve next year. Anyway, thanks for joining me if you have. Remember to hit the like button if you like the video. Please do share it around. Subscribe to the channel, because that always helps. But most importantly of all, please do comment down below. And until the next one, bye for now.